Introducing words with ig and in. Listen closely for the words of the day. Listen for ig words that come your way. There once was a pig who wore a wig. She began to dig a hole so big. Last she planted the seed of a fig. Wait now, we are not done. Sound out these words one by one. W-I-G, wig. F-I-G, fig. B-I-G, big. Warm up your eyes. It's time to read. Let's whisper these words with a steady speed. Listen again. There are more words to hear. Listen for the in words that appear. There once was a fish with a golden fin. He collected things in his bin. He collected a pin and a metal can of tin. Each item found felt like a win. Don't worry, almost done. Sound out these words one by one. F-I-N, fin. B-I-N, bin. T-I-N, tin. It's time to write. Don't get tricked. You'll spell both types of words, so carefully pick. Grab a marker or something to write with. Spell pig, pig. Check your work. P-I-G. Spell win, win. Check your work. W-I-N. Spell dig, dig. Check your work. D-I-G. Spell pin, pin. Check your work. P-I-N. Great job!
Yay!
Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.